Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this game error, please reboot and restart the game with this error code ERR GFX STATE. Then you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, I'm going to show you how to do it on an AMD card. You want to right click on your desktop and then go into AMD software, and here you're going to go into performance, and then you're going to go into tuning, and here you're going to make sure that your tuning is set to default on automatic. So just don't have any overclocks running on your graphics card or your CPU. Just set it to default. And after that, close this. And now I'll show you how to do it on an NVIDIA card. So you're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel. You're going to go into help and then go into debug mode. So just make sure debug mode is turned on. And after that, make sure that you don't have any overlays running in the background. So any overlays like MSI Afterburner, RTSS, Corsair IQ, or any other overlay softwares, just make sure all of these overlay softwares are closed. And once they're all closed, now you can go ahead and try to play your game, and you'll see that your game will most definitely work and you will not get that GFX error state anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.